Hi kindergartners, Mrs. Wallstrand here. Today we're going to talk about shapes, and I have 3 shapes that we're going to talk about today. Let's talk about this blue one first. I'll hold it up closer so you can see. Does anybody know what shape this is called? That's right, it's a triangle, and triangle's special number is 3, and it has 3 corners and 3 sides. And a corner is the pointy part of a shape. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3 corners. And a side are the long parts of the shape. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. And that's a triangle. Can you think of anything at your house that might be in the shape of a triangle? You could go on a triangle hunt after this video, and you could either take pictures of the things that you find in your house that are shaped like triangles, or you could draw them in a picture. The next shape we're going to talk about is this purple shape here, and it has kind of a long name. Can you think of what the name of this shape is? It is called a rectangle, and a rectangle special number is 4. Let's count the corners on our rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners on a rectangle. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners on a rectangle. They can be tall and skinny like this, or short and long like this. They can come in lots of different sizes. And a rectangle always has opposite sides, so like the top and the bottom side are going to be the same length. So it would be short side on top and then short side on bottom. And then on the opposite sides, those are going to be the same side too. So this long side is going to be the same size as the other long side. I bet you can find lots of rectangles in your house. You could go on a rectangle hunt too. Then there's a really special rectangle. Does anyone know what this special rectangle is called? That's right, it's a square. And a square is a really special rectangle. And we can check to make sure that it's a rectangle by counting the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know it's a rectangle, just like this rectangle. But a square is a super special rectangle because all of the sides are exactly the same size. It's a perfect rectangle. The top line, the side line, the bottom line, and the opposite side line are all exactly the same. So it's perfect. Sometimes you might hear people say a perfect square. And that is it for our shape lesson today. See if you can find any triangles in your house, or maybe outside. Look for some rectangles and squares. You could draw them in a picture or take pictures of them. Have fun on your shape hunt, everybody. Goodbye.